Hello, this is Anna from Lessons in Grass. If you are tempted to teach outdoors, but you are not sure how, we have some advice and one big help for you. Start with mathematics. Experience natural learning with your children, learning in motion with all their senses, in practice. In other words, learning by doing. So why mathematics outdoors? Because math in practice is much easier to understand. Math works great in space. The world is 3D. Kids can really experience counting and word problems with their hands. Children are physically more active outdoors. They experience more joy and happiness, and the new knowledge and discoveries are wrapped in positive energy. And therefore, their brains remember it better. Teachers and children alike enjoy outdoors more. So how to do math outdoors? Slowly and gradually. Feel free to take only natural materials into your classroom first. Then you can venture outside only for a short activity. And only later you can go out for the whole lesson. Children will soon get used to the new outdoor math classroom. And together you will enjoy all its benefits. Mathematics will become more fun and understandable thanks to the outdoors. So which mathematical topics shall we take out? So here comes our big help, and that's called numbers. In this ebook, we'll guide you through the most popular lessons outdoors. We'll show you how to get started and how to progress to more challenging mathematical tasks. We start with finding lines of symmetry. Then we show you how to discover basic shapes. Afterwards, we explore 1 meter and look for square meter as well as square decimeter in our surroundings. Children are often amazed when they measure the area of 1 R. And thanks to other lessons, children will discover how big a liter is and how big a cubic meter is. And maybe even play a game how many children can fit into 1 cubic meter. We'll repeat multiplication in a playful way. And don't forget to check out how easy it is to teach fractions outside. You can open a pizzeria to sell pizza fractions, or try jumping fractions, and so much more. So in this ebook, you'll find 52 pages, 17 ready-made lesson plans, more than 110 pictures, 6 worksheets, a number of useful tips and extensions, and beautiful illustrations. Each lesson has clearly stated objective, methodological steps, and reflection. Thanks to this ebook, you'll save time. We've prepared playful and effective lessons for you. In our lessons, we want to show how easy, practical, enjoyable, and effective it is to teach math outdoors. Join us and invite your children to an interactive outdoor math classroom. Get free teaching aids, try out new games, and most importantly, learn mathematics naturally and with more impact. Thank you for getting outside with your kids, and thank you for helping to promote natural learning, children's health and mental well-being. See you outdoors!